Hi children, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe. Are you enjoyed for this online class? Okay, did you complete your yesterday homework, children? Did you complete your homework? I hope you have completed your homework. Glad to meet you once again through this online class. Let's get back to our maths class. In the previous class, we have studied about ascending order. Yes or no, ma? In the previous class, we have studied about ordering of numbers. We can order the numbers for two different types. Yes or no, ma? We can order the numbers for two different ways. The first one is ascending order. The second one is descending order. The first one is ascending order. The second one is descending order. What is ascending order? What is ascending order? In ascending order, numbers are written in the order starting from the smallest number to the greatest number. Yes or no, ma? Ascending order means we have to arrange the numbers from small to big. And descending order. What is the meaning for descending order? In descending order, the numbers are written in the order starting from the greatest number to the smallest number. Okay, mama, starting from the greatest number to the smallest number. Descending order means we have to arrange big number to small number. What is the Tamil meaning for ascending order? What is the Tamil meaning for ascending order? Eru varisai. Okay, what is the Tamil meaning for ascending order? Eru varisai. What is the Tamil meaning for descending order? What is the Tamil meaning for descending order? Irangu varisai. Irangu varisai. Okay, Eru varisai and Irangu varisai. What is the spelling for ascending order? What is the spelling for ascending order? A-S-C-E-N-D-I-N-G. Ascending. O-R-D-E-R. Order. Ascending order. What is the spelling for descending order? D-E-S-C-E-N-D-I-N-G. Descending. O-R-D-E-R. Order. Descending order. Okay. Writing the numbers from the smallest to the greatest is called ascending order. Okay, mama. Write the numbers from the smallest to the greatest. It is called ascending order. Write the numbers from the greatest to the smallest. It is called descending order. Okay, in the previous class already we have studied ascending order. So in this class we will study about descending order. Okay, in this class we have to study about descending order. What is descending order? We have to arrange the numbers from big to small. Yes or no, ma? Big to small. Okay, see the first one. For example, okay, arrange the given numbers in descending order. Arrange the given numbers in descending order. 5,860, 9,440, 8,360, 3,490. Okay, now you have to arrange the numbers. Okay, this is descending order. D-E-S-C-E-N-D-I-N-G. Descending. O-R-D-E-R. Order. Descending order. Descending order means, what is the meaning for descending order? Descending order means you have to arrange the numbers from big to small. Okay, mama. First we have to see the thousands place. Okay, 5,000, 9,000, 8,000 and 3,000. Which is greater? Which is greater? 9,000 is the greatest number. So we have to cut and write here 9,440. Okay, see the second one. 5,000, 8,000, 3,000. Yes, ma. This is thousands place. Yes, ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. See, ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Another one, ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. See here, how many thousand is here? 5. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Here how many thousand? 8,000. Okay, see the next one, how many thousand is there? 3,000. Okay, 5,000, 8,000 and 3,000. Which is greater? Which is greater? 8,000. So we have to write 8,360. Then see the next one, 5,000 and 3,000. 5,000 and 3,000. Okay, Mama, 5,000 is a greater number or 3,000 is a greater number? 5,000 is a greater number or 3,000 is a greater number? 5,000. Yes or no, Ma? Yes. Okay, so we have to write 5,860. So we have to write 5,860. Then see the next one, 3,490. 3,490. Do you understand? Children, do you understand? Okay. The second one, 57,864. Okay, 57,864. 24,643. 24,643. 89,394. 89,394. The last one, 19,020. 19,020. We have to arrange the numbers from big to small. Yes, ma. We have to write in descending order. What is the meaning for descending order? We have to arrange the given numbers in descending order. Okay. Answer. Descending order, D-E-S-C-E-N-D-I-N-G, descending, O-R-D-E-R, order, descending order. Okay, Mama, what is descending order? You have to arrange the numbers from big to small. Okay. Now see here, first we have to mention the periods, ones, tens, 100, 1,000 and 10,000. Okay, this is 5-digit number, so 5-digit number starts from 10,000. This one also 5-digit number, then this one also 5-digit number. So you have to see the first digit number, highest place value. Okay, to arrange we begin with the highest place value number. Highest place. See the board, all of you see the board. Which one is highest place value? 10,000. Yes, Amma. So, listen. The first one, 57,000. The first one is 57,000. The first one is 57,000. The second one is 24,000. The second one is 24,000. Then the third one is 89,000. Then the fourth one, 19,000. Which is greater? How would you write the given number in descending order? How would you write the given number in descending order, children? First we have to arrange the numbers from big to small. Which one is biggest number? 57,000, 24,000, 89,000 and 19,000. Which is greater? 89,000. Yes. So we have to write here 89,394. 89,394. Okay. The second one, which is greater? 57,000, 24,000 and 19,000. 57, 24 and 19. Okay, which is greater? 57,000. So you write here 57,000 864, 57,864. Okay, Mama. See the third one, remaining only two sets of numbers here. Yes, only two sets of numbers here. 24,643, 19,020. Which is greater? 24,000 or 19,000? 24. Okay, so you have to write here 24,643 and last one 19,020. Okay, this is the answer for the given number. The first one 89,394, then 57,864, the third one 24,643 and another one 19,020 and another one 19,020. Then see the next one, third one. Okay, Mama. 460, 5,890, then 64,364 and another one number 390. How to arrange the numbers from big to small? Okay, DESCENDING, descending, ORDER, order, descending order. Okay, first see the first one is 460. Yes or no, ma? The first one is 460. 460 is a 3-digit number. Yes or no, ma? 460 is a 3-digit number. The second one 5,890. 5,890 is a 4-digit number. Yes or no, ma? The second one 5,890. 5,890 is a 4-digit number. Then see the next one 64,364. Yes or no, ma? That is 5-digit number. Then see the last one 390. 390, that is 3-digit number. Okay. If two numbers have a different numbers of digits, then the number having more digit is always greater. Okay, mama. If numbers have a different numbers of digits, then the number having more digit is always greater. Okay, which one has a more number of digits? 3-digit or 4-digit or 5-digit? Which is greater? 4-digit or 5-digit? 5-digit is greater number. So you have to write in first 64,364. Okay, 5-digit number is finished. Then 460, 5,890, 390. Okay, mama. 4-digit number and 3-digit number. Which is greater? 4-digit number or 3-digit number? 4-digit number is a greater number. So we have to write the next one 5,890. 5,890. Remaining two sets of numbers here. Yes, 460 and 390. 460 and 390. Okay, which one is greater? 400 or 300? Which one is greater? 400 or 300? 400. So we have to write here 460. Then last remaining one 390. The last remaining one 390. Do you understand, children? Okay. Okay, this one, the heading number ascending order. Yes, seventh one. Then this is eighth one. Descending order. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 8. A double R A N, arrange, A N G E. Okay, arrange the T H E, the G I V E N, given, N U M B E O R S, numbers. Arrange the given numbers in descending order. D E S C E N D I N G, descending. O R D E R, order. Arrange the given numbers in descending order. A double R A N G E, arrange. T H E D G I V E N, given. N U M B E O R S, numbers. I N in, D E S C E N D I N G, descending. O R D E R, order, descending order. Okay, arrange the given numbers in descending order. Let's see the first one. See the first one. 86,340, then 79,380, 94,690, then 24,900. 24,900. Now we want to write the answer for the given number. Okay, descending order. D E S C E N D I N G, descending. O R D E R, order, descending order. Okay, see the one. 86,000, 79,000, 94,000 and 24,000. Yes or no, ma? Yes. It has both the numbers have an equal numbers of digits. Yes or no, ma? Both the numbers have an equal number of digits. So we can comparing from the left hand side. Okay, 86,000. 5-digit number starts from 1000. So 86,000. Then 79,000. Another one 94,000 and 24,000. Now we have to arrange the numbers in descending order. Yes or no, ma? Yes. Okay, descending order. Descending order means big number to small number. Which is big? Which is greater? 94,000. Okay, so you take and write here 94,690. Then see the next one. 86,340. Okay. If you complete, then 79,380. The last one 24,900. Okay, 94 is the greatest number. We are comparing from the 86,000. Okay, 94 is greater than 86. 94,000 is greater than 86,000. 86,000 is greater than 79,000. 79 is greater than 24,000. Okay, Vamma? Then the second one. 9,400. 360. 79,891 and 84. How to write the answer for descending order? D E S C E N D I N G, descending. O R D E R, order, descending order. Okay, first 4 digit number, 3 digit number, 5 digit number and 2 digit number. ऐसा नो मा 4 digit number, 3 digit number, 5 digit number and 2 digit number. Which is greater? 5 digit number or 4 digit number, 5 digit number or 3 digit number, 5 digit number or 2 digit number. 5 digit number is a greater number. So you have to write 79,891. Then see the next one. Remaining 3 digit number, 2 digit number and 4 digit number. Yes, now 4 digit number is the greatest number. So you have to write here 9,400. Then 3 digit number 360. The last one 2 digit number 84. The last 2 digit number is 84. Do you understand, children? Okay. Now all of you take your maths classwork note. Now all of you take your maths classwork note. All of you, have you taken your note? Okay, now all of you take your maths classwork note with your pencil, eraser and book. Okay, Mama. Take new page. Take new page and write, arrange the given numbers in descending order. Take a new page and first of all you should write today's day and date. First of all, you should write today's day and date. All of you should write today's day and date before the margin line. Then you start to write, arrange the given numbers in descending order. Take new page and write. Okay, Mama? Write neatly without any one mistake. I will check your note. So be careful. Write neatly. ARRANGE, arrange. THED, GIVEN, given. NUMBERS, numbers. IN, in. DES CEN DING, descending. ORDER, order. Arrange the given numbers in descending order. The first one, if you complete the heading, means you leave one finger space and write the first one question. If you complete the heading, means you leave one finger space and write 86,340, 79,380, 94,690, 24,900. Answer ANS. Answer short form is ANS. Right, next line, descending order. DES CEN DING, descending. ORDER, order, descending order, is equal to 94,690, 86,340, 79,380, 24,900. Then leave one finger space and write the second question. 9,400, 9,400. Second one, 360, 360, 79,891, 79,891 and 84. Answer DESCENDING, descending, ORDER, order, is equal to 79,891, 9,400, 360, 84, 360, 84. All of you have it written, children? All of you have it written, children? I hope you have completed the class work. Now all of you take your maths book. All of you take your maths book. Take book page number 15, 1-5. Take book page number 15, 1-5. Already the second question in the previous class I gave the homework. Did you write? Sorry, did you written, children? All of you have you written the second one question? Okay. See the third one. WRITE, right? THED, FOLLOWING, following, NUMBERS, numbers, IN, ASCENDING, ascending, ORDER, order. Write the following numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means we have to arrange the numbers from small to big. Okay, Mama? The fourth one, WRITE, right? THED, FOLLOWING, following, NUMBERS, numbers, IN, DESCENDING, descending, ORDER, order. Descending order. Write the following numbers in descending order. Descending order means we have to arrange the numbers from big number to small number. Okay, Mama? The third one and fourth one is today homework. Take book page number 15, lesson 1, exercise 1.4. Book page number 15. The third one ascending order, the fourth one descending order is homework. Beside you should mention homework, today's day and date. Beside you should write homework, today's day and date. Okay, Mama? Today's homework, lesson 1, lesson 1, exercise 1.4, 1.4, book page number 15. The third one and the fourth one is today homework. Okay, Mama? Do you understand? Do you understand, children? Okay, I hope you have understood for everything. Today class is over. Next one, we will see the next class. Okay, children? All of you, take care of your health, do good things and study well. Okay, listen your parents' words, respect your parents, take care of your health. Okay, Mama? We will see the next class. Take care. Bye.